That all of you doing great. Well, there is a news that the Ethereum miners, basically the miners are the people who happen to accumulate a particular cryptocurrency by doing the proof of work or the proof of stake mechanism. And right now they are holding to the maximum extent. That means they are mining it and holding it, not selling it. That means they are quite bullish onto the sentiment of the merge that is coming, which is 15th of September. Now, for a lot of people, it is like buy the news, sell the rumor kind of an event. But for a lot of people, like this is a game changer for the entire crypto market. And probably some people are even calling this might begin another mini bull run for the entire crypto market. Now, if I show you the chart for this, I mean, this is a kind of an indicator that is important for the people to see. Why? Because you are trying to look for the confluence of the news. We are already so much down. Yes, we rallied up till $25,000, and then after that we crashed down below $20,000, and we are right now hovering around $20,300. The question lies for a lot of people: should we just exit, sell, go away right now from here, or probably should we just wait? Probably there lies a bullish sentiment ahead. Well, here is the news. Here are the facts that we all need to see. Like starting from from the start of the year, from here, the graph suddenly started shooting up. This is showing the amount of Ethereum held by those miners. That means they are mining it and not selling it. Now, let us also understand the moment the merge happens, Ethereum will move from proof of stake to proof of work to proof of stake mechanism. That means the mining will become highly difficult. That means 90% reduction will happen with the mining. That means there will not be new Ethereums mined to that extent. It will be reduced by 90%. That means Ethereum will become a deflationary asset. Having said that, because it is moving from proof of work to proof of stake, 99.5% of energy consumption will start happening. That means suddenly there will be huge energy consumption with this transition. So all that factor is giving us the signal that everyone, those miners and a lot of people are highly bullish onto it. And in fact, let me be clear about it, because the Ethereum price is pretty low right now. The mining is not that profitable. In fact, sometimes the cost of mining is far more than amount of Ethereum that these people are able to mine. Yet they are mining it, and yet they are even accumulating it. That simply shows that we are probably in the right time, and the merge is going to be a bullish event for the entire crypto market. Why? Because the moment Ethereum rallies, probably we are talking the Bitcoin rallies and the entire crypto market rallies, right? So that should be a factor that we need to be considering, and definitely it should help us make the decision for the future, for the coming event, that the kind of cryptos that we want to hold if the rally happens. Now, as I already told, like the difficulty bomb will make the mining unprofitable after merge. That means almost all the mining operations are shut. So that is also one of the reason the miners are trying to utilize their mining equipment as much as possible beforehand. But apart from that, they are not selling the Ethereum. Like they are not happy selling at this much price, yet they are mining so much and they are keeping the Ethereum. That means they are quite bullish onto Ethereum following the merge, pre the merge. Now there is another confluencing idea which is in coherence with the Ethereum merge news. With the previous news that the miners are stacking up onto the Ethereum, that Bitcoin mining has never been more competitive despite so much of the Bitcoin loss. Like Bitcoin is hovering around $20,000, below $20,000, sometimes $19,000. Despite all that factor, we are talking that the mining, still people are mining with a lot of competition. That means the moment the Bitcoin mining becomes difficult, that means so many people are competing for the mining. That means people are bullish onto it, despite the fact that they are not profitable while mining the Bitcoin right now, probably less profitable. but still the competition is increasing. Still people are very, very bullish onto it. This news pretty much is in confluence with the Ethereum mining. People are stacking up. So this is a hidden kind of a divergence that we all should notice, and we all need to be prepared for it. Probably we are seeing the dark clouds ahead of the price tanking and everything bad happening, but this is a good sign probably for the coming merge or for the coming months and the weeks. Now, having said that, there is another thing I wanted to talk to my community about. Probably some of the people are like day traders, some of the people are like they trade on an hourly basis, like buy high, sell low, try to time the market, and some of the people want to hold for the long term. Now here's the thing, like if you do not want to be a day trader, like some of the people are like weekly trader, they trade based on the daily RSI. If you're trading based on the daily chart, and that means you are frequently trading, but some people are trading on the hourly chart, 4-hourly chart. That means you need to be watching for the RSI. The moment you get into the oversold territory, that means this is the time to be selling. And the moment you get into the overbought territory, this is the time to be selling. And the moment you get into oversold territory, this is the time to be buying, right? For example, right now, like over here, this was the time to be buying. Some people sold, and probably because the moment that you buy this, you get a little bit of a rally, but you see the price is increasing. There was further leg down, but at the same time, right now we are at this level. So the moment we reach back at this high level, that is the time to be selling. So we need to be ensuring that, I mean, some of the people would be like the waiting, and when the RSI goes up, they start getting bullish. They watch the YouTube videos and stuff. They start buying at these prices. That is not the great point of buying. But if we open the even larger chart, like you do not want to day trade it, like on every 3-day, 4-day basis, you do not want to buy and sell, you want to hold for the long term, then here is the best indicator. I mean, the weekly RSI. The moment that you are at the top, like everyone was bullish at these points, but you should have also seen the weekly RSI is almost overbought zone. So even though you might have to wait like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and the price is still going up, but if you would have started selling at this point, you should have known that someday or the other you will be reaching probably downwards over here, or probably even downwards over here. And the moment that you are reaching over here right now, probably it might take weeks, months, or whatever, but you know that we are going to be going up from here and someday or the other reaching at this level. The moment that you reach at this level, that will be an amazing time. Probably we will be here, or probably even more than that. So probably weeks, months from now. So this should be one of the strategy that you need to be watching the RSI. And for the long haul trader, the weekly RSI will be a great idea for you to get entry and to get exit. So I hope guys you found the video helpful, and that's it for the video. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe to our channel if you believe that we deserve more subscribers, and comment down below for the best part about this video. And till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.